was going to have a day off today from walking around, but I'm going stir crazy in the room. It's I just can't do it. Air conditioned comfort is good and fine, however I need to be out in this beautiful heat, so I'm going over to here to have a nice cold beverage and something to eat. And we're sort of blocked a little bit, but you can see in the distance that is Icon Siam. We have been there before, we have made videos of this before. It's just there. I'm going to go right up and sit on that balcony there and just kick back for the afternoon. Another thing I've just realised since I was last here is that they had the free shuttle service, and that's now gone. Now you now have to pay $5 to get across, so I can't even do the sums on $5. I think it's got to be 20 cents, I think, so that's pretty cool. Don't know how this wind's going to affect this camera, but if you do want to go to Icon Siam, it actually doesn't take you there anymore. It just takes you straight across directly to the other side, and then you've got to walk all the way this way, which is cool, gives you something to do. Another beautiful day down here on the Chao Phraya River, Chinatown, Bangkok. We had some fierce storms last night. They came late afternoon, they just hung around. As you can see, I don't have the gimbal and I don't have the mic today. Well, I do, it's in my bag. I'm just lazy. I said to myself, I'm not going to make a video, but as soon as I get outside, bloody hell, the camera's out and off I go. I'm in the food court and there's so many choices for a meat eater. I have gone through this in other videos, but a bit of a challenge to find something vegetarian, and I've found this little place here, and I'll just show you. I'm going to have noodles pad thai vegetarian, and it's all cooked right there in front of you. Put it all together. That's what I wanted, but there's just meat everywhere. And by the way, this is lunchtime. It's quite possibly the worst time to come down here and grab something to eat. And if you are a vegetarian and you want to learn how to say noodles, pad thai vegetarian, that's what they've got there. This is what I would say. Let's just say pad thai jay. It's just easier. The thing is, once you do actually find something that you want to eat and you get your order, then you have to walk around the place for about half an hour to get a table. I scored a table, so I'm very lucky, and this is what I have ordered. Pad thai jay, which is vegetarian pad thai. There you go. That's 80 baht. I just can't do the sums. I think the conversion would be maybe $3.50. I'm pretty happy with that. I've just ducked up to the 6th floor. This is the terrace bar here at the Icon Siam. I'm going to have a beer or two here. A little bit pricey up here, but you know, you pay for the view. I've just been told they've run out of singers, so I'm going to have an Asahi. So why not? But look at this view. It's worth every penny to come up here and to spend a couple of hours. A couple of significant sites that if you are coming to Bangkok, you might think, where is everything? This big tall building there, that is the Mahanakhon, the tallest building in Bangkok. Off to my right, see this building there? That's the Ghost Tower. I have shot a video. And where that bridge is, that's the Sapan Taxi, Satani Rotphai, the train station. So you could walk from Satani Rotphai all the way down through to Chinatown from there. Not that far. Probably take you all the way down to there, a good half an hour at least. So it's a perfect location. I always keep saying this in the vids. If you like to be near the river, which I do, So I'm just getting out of the wind because I haven't got my mic on. But yeah, it's a perfect location by the river. I don't know what to say. It's just bloody beautiful. And when this beer comes, it's going to be even better. Let's have a look. It's coming. Yeah, so this is the terrace bar. It's I think it's about 1 o'clock. And I'd love to come up here at night and check it out. I'll just go for a walk over here for you. There's like another restaurant here. We've got one person there. And Asahi beer, Koppen Makrab. Oh, thank you. There we go. One Asahi. Well, as someone said to me a long time ago, tip it in your head. So that's what I'm going to do. Tip it into my head and just enjoy this moment in time. I find the river the real life hub of this city. There's just so much going on. You have these barges that just come up and down all day and all night. I'm really not too sure what they're taking, whether it's you know, soil, sand or rubbish. But they just go up and down all night.